like weeks and days. And now we're sure it's just. That looks like this looks like, that's kind of like a pancake on the side. I don't know. It went a bit dry. So, really you have to do 2 layers, but 3 layers. But if we don't do it today, this is gonna be thrown away. So we have to do it today. Where you go? Where did you go? Oh my God. Where's the baking soda? So we put half of this, half of like a little bit of dish soap and some red food coloring a little bit. And we're all going to put it in here and some vinegar. And when we're ready, we put...
Now we'll put the powder in here.
In here first, and then...
Alright.
We put the powder in here first, like half of it, this. Like half of it.
What's the soap for?
To make it look bubbly.
What's the red for?
To make it red and making it look like a volcano. That's it.
Okay, I guess we're using all my baking soda.
Okay, all of it. Are you using all of them?
Yeah, you have done.
Whoops, you're supposed to put half of it. You're supposed to put like half of a quarter, but I oofed it. Okay, now everything is going to be put in there. Okay, next is anything. Let's start with...
Yeah, put a bit of dish soap in. Bit more. That'll do.
And then let's add a little bit of red food coloring because my dad said...
Just a little bit. Pour it very slowly, it comes out fast, yeah?
Who killed it?
Alright, that's enough.
Yeah, I know, like, why is it that fast and it looks like blood? Who murdered someone? Who did murder? Who? Look! Who was a serial killer? Jason? Were you around here? Jason? Okay, it's gone. Okay, next, and the final ingredient. Let's put beef on that. That was a bit. Give it a good shake.
Put more vinegar in.
I already put a ton.
Put a lot. More stir.
This has a bit of baking soda on it.
Alright, go wash it.
At least it didn't go immediately.
Alright, so now you need to put your...
Funnel because I suck at pouring stuff.
Pour it all in one go. Take it off, quick!
Abraham Lincoln! It's a volcano! And you could add some things to it. Oh my God, it's going on the carpet. Meow meow! Meow meow! It's a volcano, so bloody, 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 bloody.
Don't get it on your shirt. It will stain. Get more paper towels. It's still going, look!
No! We should have made it better.
Leave the paper towels on the table. Quick, down now. Alright, I think we're finally out of reaction. Alright, just leave them there.
Small. Because look!
Right, try to put a bit more vinegar in. Enough. Oh, it's going again!
Ghost like punch! Ghost like punch! Ah! Ghost like punch! Ghost like punch! You can't breathe. What in the world? Somebody?
It's still going.
I have holes in my hands. My hands are pipes.
Are we done?
No. How much did I?
No. No.
Little bit.
No.
Little bit.
No. That stuff stains and this is going everywhere.
I try to open it. Volcano banana. I don't want to be a lava banana.
Alright, are we done?
No, I'm bleeding. A little bit more vinegar.
We're done. Ed, stop wasting all my ingredients.
Little bit. Tiny bit. Remind me. Oh my God! What in the world? Just look, Abraham. Don't put so much vinegar because it will kill it. Oh my! It's a volcano! It's a volcano! Ha ha ha! Volcano virus! Volcano virus! Volcano virus! This part is so dry. Go that way. Yes, go that way.
Alright, are we going to say bye-bye now?
Why is this side not even wet?
Because it's pointing that way. Alright, are we done?
Okay, that's all for today's video, or for today's video. And see you guys next time. Bye!